Mathematics Year 5. Topic: Dividing Decimals. Hello there. In this lesson, we will learn how to divide decimal numbers. Let's begin. Division is splitting into equal parts or groups. It is the result of fair sharing. It is the opposite of multiplying. For example, there are 12 chocolates and 3 friends want to share them. How do they divide the chocolates? We use the symbol or sometimes the slash to mean divide. You can divide whole numbers using the division symbol. For example, 12 slash 4 equals to 3, or 12 divided 3 equals to 4. You can also divide decimals, but dividing decimals is a little different from dividing whole numbers. The trick is to get rid of the decimal point from the number we are dividing by. How? We can shift the decimal point out of the way by multiplying by 10 as many times as we need to, but we must do the same thing to both numbers in the division. For example, what is 15 divided by 0.2? Let us multiply the 0.2 by 10, which shifts the decimal point out of the way. 0.2 multiplied by 10 equals 2, but we must also do it to the 15, that is, 15 multiplied by 10 equals 150. So, 15 divided by 0.2 has become 150 divided by 2. Now that they are both 10 times larger, 150 divided by 2 equals 75. And so, 15 divided by 0.2 equals 75. The number we divide by is called the divisor. To divide decimal numbers, multiply the divisor by as many tens as necessary until we get a whole number. Remember to multiply the dividend by the same number of tens. To multiply by 10, it is easier to just shift the decimal. For example, let's divide 6.4 by 0.4. Let us just shift the decimal point one space for both. 6.4 over 0.4 is exactly the same as 64 over 4. As we move the decimal point of both numbers, now we can calculate 64 over 4 equals 16. So the answer to the question 6.4 over 0.4 is 16. Are there really 16 lots of 0.4 in 6.4? Let's see. That was interesting, was it not? Now, let us remind ourselves about some of the things we have learned. 1. Division is splitting into equal parts or groups. It is a result of fair sharing. 2. Division is the opposite of multiplying. 3. We use the division symbol or sometimes the slash symbol to mean divide. 4. You can divide whole numbers using the division symbol. 5. The trick to dividing decimals is to get rid of the decimal point from the number we are dividing by. 6. To divide decimal numbers, multiply the divisor by as many tens as necessary until we get a whole number. Great! Before we finish off here, let me ask you a few questions. This will help me know how well you got on in the lesson. Are you ready? Alright! Question 1. What is division? That's great! Division is splitting into equal parts or groups. It is the result of fair sharing. Question 2. What symbol is used to represent division? That's brilliant! We use the division symbol or sometimes the slash symbol to mean divide. Question 3. What is the trick to dividing decimals? That's brilliant! The trick to dividing decimals is to get rid of the decimal point from the number we are dividing by. Question 4. How do you divide decimal numbers? That's brilliant! To divide decimal numbers, multiply the divisor by as many tens as necessary until we get a whole number. I hope you learned new things in the lesson. I learned new things too. I'll see you in the next lesson.